Looking to bring next-level comfort and style into your space? These luxury home essentials from Amazon add premium design, smart convenience, and everyday comfort to every room. All product links are in the description below, and for anyone watching on TV, just scan the QR code on screen to shop while you watch. Imagine a cloud you can sit on. That's exactly what this oversized round sofa feels like. With 14 plush pillows, you can arrange support for your back, waist, or head however you like. The soft chenille fabric is cozy, durable, and easy to clean, making it perfect for pets or busy households. It's big enough for lounging, gaming, or napping, and arrives ready to enjoy. No assembly needed. Meet the sofa that bends to your lifestyle. With one smooth motion, it transforms from an open sofa into a chic chaise longue, and the backrest rotates a full 360 for endless styling options. Its organic curves create a striking, modern presence while staying playful and functional. A matching swivel armchair adds flexibility, letting you adjust seating exactly how you like. With sleek, aluminum-colored legs and a design that fits any space, it's both elegant and versatile. Ever wish you had a third hand while working? This clever magnetic wristband gives you exactly that. It's packed with powerful magnets that hold screws, nails, bolts, and drill bits right on your wrist, so you can grab what you need instantly. The adjustable strap fits comfortably, and the breathable mesh keeps things cool. Lightweight yet tough, it's the perfect sidekick for repairs, builds, or any DIY project. Never worry about your pet missing a meal with this smart automatic feeder. It connects to Wi-Fi so you can schedule up to 10 meals a day right from your phone, no matter where you are. Record a custom voice message to call your furry friend to eat, making them feel loved even when you're away. The airtight design and stainless steel bowl keep food fresh and hygienic, while sensors prevent jams and overfeeding. Sleek, safe, and convenient. It's perfect for busy pet parents. Bring the cozy glow of a fireplace to any room without the heat. This flame effect aroma diffuser releases a gentle mist while flickering with 7 mesmerizing colors. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil, and your space instantly feels calm and refreshed. It runs whisper quiet for up to 8 hours, then shuts off automatically when the water runs low. Perfect for bedtime, yoga, or simply unwinding after a long day. Big screen nights hit differently when the colors look real. This triple laser projector shows deep blacks, bright highlights, and a wide color range that makes movies feel alive. Autofocus and keystone adjust the picture instantly, whether you are projecting in a small room or going all the way up to 300 inches. You get sharp, 4K clarity, fast streaming, and smooth gaming with ultra-low lag. Voice control and built-in apps make it a full entertainment hub without extra boxes. Maximize your closet space with these premium beechwood pants hangers. Designed to hold pants, jeans, scarves, or leggings, they feature a clever 360-degree swivel hook for easy access and a non-slip coating to keep clothes secure. The slim, multi-tiered design saves space while keeping your wardrobe organized and clutter-free. Durable, versatile, and perfect for any closet, these hangers make tidying up effortless and stylish. Who knew a fuse box could look this good? This decorative cover hides your electrical panel behind a modern feather-patterned frame that doubles as wall art. It flips open easily, so you still have full access whenever needed. Made from durable, easy-to-clean plastic, it keeps dust and moisture out while keeping style in. Simple to mount with traceless nails, it's the perfect blend of function and design. Movie night just got an upgrade. This portable laser projector delivers true 4K clarity with stunning color and zero eye strain. It's powered by a Tri-LED laser system that makes every scene pop bright, vivid, and smooth. Built-in Dolby Vision and DTS sound turn your space into a mini theater, while the Fire TV slot keeps streaming simple. Set it down, power up, and enjoy a cinematic experience anywhere. Upgrade your kitchen with this luxury fridge that combines style with powerful performance. Its spacious compartments hold everything neatly, while dual ice makers and an external water dispenser provide chilled water and ice on demand. Super cool and super freeze modes chill or freeze food quickly, keeping items fresh longer. Adjustable shelves, bright interiors, and sleek handles make organization simple and elegant. From daily groceries to entertaining guests, this fridge keeps everything perfectly stored and ready to enjoy. This isn't just a lantern, it's an atmosphere in your hands. The lantern glows with 3 elegant light modes, from a flickering candlelight to a cozy amber or bright warm white. A simple twist lets you set the perfect mood, whether for bedtime, dinner, or an evening outdoors. Lightweight, rechargeable, and water-resistant, it brings calm, warmth, and beauty wherever you take it. Meet the chair that gives better massages than most humans. This 4D full-body recliner kneads, rolls, and stretches every inch of you, from neck to feet, using smart sensors that adapt to your body's shape. Slip into zero-gravity mode, and you'll feel your spine instantly relax. Built-in heating soothes sore muscles, while voice control and Bluetooth let you unwind hands-free. It's pure luxury disguised as furniture. Why settle for an ordinary coffee table when yours can do so much more? This lift-top table transforms into a work desk or dining surface whenever you need it. Built-in USB-C, USB, and power outlets keep all your devices charged without messy cords. The hidden compartment and lower shelf hide clutter while showing off your favorite items. LED lights add a cozy touch, making it stylish, smart, and totally functional. Running out of pantry space? This 9-tier over-the-door organizer turns any plain door into a storage powerhouse. It holds everything from spice jars to snacks, cleaning supplies, or even bathroom essentials. The sturdy metal frame is rust-resistant and built to handle heavier items without wobbling. No tools or drilling needed, just hang it up, load it, and instantly create extra room where you didn't think you had any. Your entertainment no longer has to stay at home. This portable entertainment system looks like a sleek suitcase, but opens into a full smart screen with powerful sound. You can stream shows, play games, or share videos anywhere, from trips to parties. Built-in speakers deliver immersive audio, and the battery keeps everything running without needing an outlet. Just open it up, set it down, and turn any space into an instant entertainment hub. Finally, a place for everything you carry. This wooden docking station turns any nightstand or desk into a tidy command center. It holds your phone while it charges, keeps your watch, wallet, and keys in perfect order, and even has space for glasses or small accessories. Made from solid wood with a smooth, natural finish, it blends into any decor. Simple, sturdy, and smart. Organization has never looked this good. Your countertop deserves a little more order. This expandable microwave rack gives your kitchen extra storage without taking up more space. The sturdy carbon steel frame can hold your microwave, dishes, pots, or pantry items with ease. You can adjust its width to fit your setup perfectly and hang utensils on the side hooks for quick access. Strong, sleek, and super practical. It's a true space-saving hero. It's not magic, it's magnetic. This levitating moon lamp floats silently in midair, glowing like a real lunar orb. The built-in wireless charging pad keeps your phone powered up while you enjoy the show. Its soft LED light sets the perfect mood for your desk or bedside table. Whether as decor or a gift, this zero-gravity moon turns any space into something out of this world. Take your home workouts to the next level with this multi-purpose Pilates board. Designed for full-body training, it combines a foldable reformer board with adjustable resistance bands, allowing you to target arms, shoulders, core, and legs safely. Its compact, portable design includes a phone holder and smart timer for tracking progress, making it perfect for any fitness level. Transform your living room into a personal Pilates studio with ease. This mini chainsaw proves that big power can come in a small package. It slices through branches and thick wood with ease, making it perfect for quick backyard cleanups or DIY projects. Lightweight and cordless, it's super easy to handle, even for beginners. With long-lasting batteries and smooth cutting action, it turns trimming trees and tackling firewood into an effortless weekend job. Looking for a coffee table set that's stylish and flexible? This nesting set comes with 2 round tables, one large, one small, that you can stack or spread out as you like. The marble patterned tops are scratch resistant and waterproof, while the gold accented steel legs add a touch of elegance. Perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, or apartments, it combines modern design with practical durability. Assembly is quick and simple, so you can enjoy it right away. Work, eat, or create comfortably from anywhere with this adjustable laptop bed desk. Its soft leather surface is anti-slip, waterproof, and easy to clean, keeping your devices safe. Tilt the desktop and adjust the legs to find the perfect angle and height for your posture. A built-in drawer stores pens, cables, or glasses, while the foldable legs make it easy to tuck away or carry. Large, sturdy, and versatile, it's perfect for laptops, writing, meals, or even painting in bed or on the couch. Seasoning just got smarter. These electric salt and pepper grinders do the work for you with one simple touch. They recharge on a sleek base that powers both at once and keeps your counter spotless. You can adjust the grind from coarse to fine with a quick twist, and even see your seasoning with the built-in LED light. Clean, quick, and seriously convenient for any kitchen. Messy counters can ruin even the best beauty routine. This large makeup organizer keeps everything visible, protected, and right where you need it. Clear panels let you spot skincare, perfumes, and cosmetics instantly without digging. The cover design helps block dust and moisture, so your products stay clean and fresh. It sits neatly on your vanity and turns daily getting ready into a calm, organized experience. Privacy that appears and disappears with a tap. Pretty futuristic, right? This smart film turns from clear to frosted instantly, giving you privacy or openness whenever you want. Just peel, stick, and power it on. It blocks UV rays, cuts down heat, and even works as a high-contrast projection screen for movies or presentations. Perfect for windows, partitions, or car sunroofs, you control how much the world sees. Who needs a toolbox when you've got this all-in-one multi-tool? It packs 16 essential tools into one compact gadget, from a hammer and pliers to knives, screwdrivers, and even a rope cutter. Whether you're camping, fixing something around the house, or facing an emergency, this little beast has you covered. It's made from tough stainless steel that won't rust or bend. Practical, portable, and ready for anything you throw at it. Who says a TV has to stay in one spot? This 32-inch smart screen rolls wherever you need it. Bedroom, living room, or even outdoors. It runs on Android 13 with a fast 8-core chip, giving you access to millions of apps, games, and shows. The touchscreen makes it interactive, while the built-in battery lasts hours. With a built-in webcam, swivel stand, and 2K visuals, it's entertainment on wheels. Step into this tub and it instantly feels like a private spa. 56 jets go to work at once, with 26 massage jets easing tight muscles, while 30 bubbling nozzles wrap you in a soft, fizzy flow. 2 gentle waterfall pillows send warm, oxygen-rich water down your neck for a calming, melt-into-it feeling. The deep, roomy design gives you space to stretch out and fully unwind. And because it's built for 2, you can enjoy the experience side by side in total comfort. Sorting laundry doesn't have to be a chore. This hamper comes with 3 separate bags, so you can easily separate colors, whites, and delicates. Each bag has handles, making it simple to carry straight to the washer. The bags snap back into the basket when you're done, keeping everything neat and tidy. With a lid to hide laundry from sight, it's perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, or laundry rooms. Light up your space without lifting a finger. This ultra-thin motion sensor LED turns on automatically when it detects movement, perfect for cabinets, closets, or hallways. It's USB powered, so you can plug it into a wall, laptop, or power bank. 3 lighting modes let you choose the brightness that suits your needs. Easy to install, energy efficient, and practical. It brightens your path while saving power. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.